In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 5T, and today I'll show you how to access the Fastboot mode on the device. So to get started, you want to shut off the device by holding the power key. Once you see the option, tap on power off and do it once more. And wait for the device to shut off. Now in the meantime, you want to get your Type-C cable ready. Let's make this. And plug it into your computer. And when you have that ready, all you need to do is then, while holding volume, I think it's down. Let's just check. Yep, volume down. So holding volume down on here, you can see. Right here. And then plug in the cable. And you can see we're now in the Fastboot mode. So that's basically how you would enter it. And if you want to leave it, hold power key and volume down. So keep holding the buttons till the phone shuts off, like so. And now it should just go back into the normal Android system. And as you can see, we're back in the Android. So that is how you would enter and leave the Fastboot mode. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.